this. Maybe it's the quality of my camera that's making me look so bad. 'Cause look at that. My skin does not look that pale. Cause like I'm looking at it right now and I look colorful. Maybe it's the quality. I'm trying to figure out if this is like the angle of the camera that was making under my eyes look dark, or I need to sleep a lot. Maybe. I'm thinking if this comes out how I think it's gonna come out, and that means like I'm gonna have like all these dark spots right here, then I need to go to sleep. I need to take a nap, like a really long nap, instead of cleaning my room. My room is really dirty right now. But it's pretty dirty. Like, you should see my computer desk right now. In fact, I'll show you, because I am not ashamed. Yeah, that's something to be ashamed of. I'm not going to clean my room. I'm going to take off my jacket. Ah, voila. My jacket is removed. Still haven't changed the quality of the camera, like the setting, because I just like re-reviewed my last video, and then I thought of taking my jacket off. Like, maybe I should take my jacket off. That's what I was thinking. So I did. Trying to see. Am I slouching? Am I slouching? I feel like I'm slouching. Or like this part. I don't know. I need to work out. I need to bad pudge. But if you like your pudge, embrace your pudge, because you are beautiful and we are made in all different shapes and sizes. I'm just giving excess size to my shape. I'm cool. This is like basically a video, like a day video, like what? Okay, it's nighttime now. You see? But this whole day I've been making videos. I've been happy making videos. You know, I'm getting used to it. I'm getting the hang of it again. Cause like the first time, like when you see in the beginning, I'm like hi, but now I'm like hi. My room is clean. I clean up pretty nicely, don't I? Look at that. You don't have to be ashamed anymore, computer desk. Me and my favorite cousin, Anessa, we're going to the gym and we're gonna work out. And we're gonna get rid of my pudge that I was talking about. And then I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow. Then after that, I'm going on Sunday. Because I'm gonna be in the mountains. But then I'm gonna be climbing mountains and working out because I'm cool. And I might just make a video of the youth retreat. So yeah, I guess this is my last video. Maybe not though. No, I'm not going to take it to the gym, so. God bless, and I hope you all have a great day tomorrow, because it's tonight right now. So bye.